Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this logo opening animations on CapCut. So you can start by adding the background first. So I choose this white color as the background. You can find it on the CapCut library, and then just change the screen ratio into 9:16 like this. Okay, just fill it like so, and after that here go to overlay and add the first logo. So in here I'm going to add this. Okay, so this is the first logo, and after that move forward to 3 seconds and then add your second logo. Click on add overlay, then add the second logo. Okay, so this is the second logo. So it might be overlapping just like this, and after that here adjust the go to overlay again and go to the CapCut library, go to background and add any colors, solid color that you want. For example, here I'm going to use this green color. Click on add. Here you can adjust the size to match with the logo, and after that you can just go to transform and then crop it like this. So after this you can just drag it to the left like this, then adjust the durations to match with the whole video. After that here you can add a keyframe at the start, and then move forward to the beginning of the second overlay like this, and then move the green solid background to the right like this. Then after that go to the end and move it back to the left. Okay, so it will move just like that. And after this, let's click on the first logo and then go to mask. Oops, select the horizontal, rotate it into 90 degrees just like this, and after that move the masking to the left like this, and then add a keyframe and move it to follow the movement of the line. Okay, so just move it slowly just like this. So after it reached the end, you can just do the same thing with the masking. So move back the yellow line to the left. So after you're done with the first logo, you can click on the second logo and do the same. Go to mask and choose horizontal, but move the masking to the right, not left. So rotate it like this, then move it to the right just like this, and then add a keyframe. Then just move the keyframe along with the green line. Okay, so after you are done with all of the keyframes, this is the final result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on it. Thanks. Bye.